What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate Dhgate affiliate link. First, let's hop into the Dhgate affiliate website. Next, log in to your account. Then after that, click the Enter Workplace. In here, navigate to the product that you want by clicking on the Products button on the side. Then search the keyword of the product. Let's say we want to search for bags. Now here, it will show different bags that are available to promote. It will show here the prices of the bags and also the commission that you'll earn every time a person buys that product you promote. So just navigate to the product you want to promote. For now, let's choose this type of bag with a $49 price with a commission of $17. Next, simply click the Get link below. It will redirect you to another window. Then choose what media that you want. And then the tracking source. After that, click Generate button below. Then it will generate a short link for that bag. And now you can copy the link of that product and post it on your social media account. So every time a person clicks your link to buy that bag, you will earn the commission on that product. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.